student, today we are going to see Standard 5th English from Term 3. The unit name is Learn Always. In this unit, we are going to see the supplementary, The Witty Sparrow. Come, let us move to the video session.
Unit 1 Supplementary The Witty Sparrow. Witty means clever. A clever sparrow. Once a very clever brown sparrow lived in a forest. It had 3 eggs in a nest. There was a forest. There lived a very clever brown color sparrow. It has 3 eggs in a nest. The nest was in a bush. Bush means the plants which is fully covered. All the animals in the forest greeted the sparrow as a madam. Only the small elephant, that means the young elephant, will not call the sparrow as a madam, because he will never call anybody as respectful. When he was walking, it sounded as a thud, thud. Gulu walked purposefully along the way of where the eggs was found. It makes afraid of the sparrow because he is going to crack the eggs. The sparrow got afraid and came back to their nest. If you do this tomorrow, I will tie you up with a strong rope and then you cannot move at all. I warn you. This was said by the sparrow. Sparrow said to the elephant, if you say do the same thing again tomorrow, because if you crack the eggs of my nest, I will make you to tie in a rope in a tree and you cannot move at all. The elephant laughed and said, will you tie me? Let me see how you are tying up. In the same afternoon, she went to the river bank to drink water. Meanwhile, the crocodile was stretching her body and making the sparrow not to drink the water. The crocodile blocking the way where the sparrow cannot drink. So what the sparrow is telling? The same thing you have done twice a week. I cannot drink muddy water. Move from here. The sparrow is telling to the crocodile. Crocodile said, I cannot move at all. You go somewhere else and drink the water. Said by crocodile. The sparrow went back to her nest and got a brilliant idea. Because what the crocodile said, you cannot drink the water here. The crocodile said to sparrow, no, the same like what the sparrow is going to do. If you not make me to drink the water here, I'll make you to tie in a rope and make you to stand in a one place. You cannot move at all. The sparrow said to the crocodile. The next morning, Gulu, coming towards the bush, that means he is walking towards the bush. Who's there in the bush? The sparrow and the small 3 eggs. Hey, are you not tying me up? The elephant is asking to sparrow. You said that you will tie me up. You leave me? I am here. You will not tie me. The sparrow is telling, how dare you? Aren't you afraid of me? Just wait. The sparrow is telling, you will not afraid of me. Just wait what I am going to do for you. Let me see. You cannot move at all from one place to another place. The thing which is said by the sparrow. The sparrow got an good idea, that means brilliant idea. The witty sparrow means brilliant sparrow, that means clever sparrow. Got a great idea. He took a strong creeper. Creeper means, for example, the pumpkin plant, it's called a creeper. And tied the elephant at one end. He's telling to the elephant, shh, don't dare you to move. When I'm saying pull, then only you have to pull your strength and let me see how strength you are. You cannot move a little an inch. This was the task given by the sparrow to the elephant. Let me see what is going to do. Is flying to the other end, and what is going to do with the other end. It went to the river, saw the crocodile blocking its way. Again, what happened? The crocodile is blocking the way. He fly along with the creeper, isn't it? What he did? Here, he tied the elephant in one end. There he went to the crocodile and tied the creeper other end to the crocodile mouth. It will not move. Just like yesterday, drink the muddy water. The crocodile is telling to the sparrow, you have to drink only the muddy water. So what the sparrow did? He tied the whole mouth with a strong creeper. One end was tied by elephant, the other end was tied by a crocodile. Now what is going to do? Sparrow took the other end of the creeper and tied the crocodile, isn't it? I warned you yesterday. Now stay still here. Until I grab the other end when I say pull, let's see how we are able to pull or not. The sparrow is teasing the elephant as well as the crocodile because they were make afraid of the sparrow, but the sparrow, the clever sparrow, did not afraid for anything. So he make an idea, a clever idea. He tied the one end with the elephant, the other end with the crocodile mouth. Now what they are doing? Both the sides they were moving. They cannot move at all. Sparrow went to the center of the creeper. Now what happened? One side the elephant, the other side the crocodile. The center of the creeper, Sparrow sitting and he is telling to pull. Now what the elephant did? The elephant and the crocodile pulled each other at the same time. He also cannot move. The elephant also cannot move. So what they are doing? They are very struggling hard for their body to move from one place to another. But what the clever sparrow did? How they teased everyone the same like they are struggling how to move. This day went on fully. That means the whole day went on by pulling. That means the one side the crocodile, the other side the elephant. Both the animals were exhausted. Exhausted means they become very much tired and they were be very much tired. They cannot pull each other. So what the elephant said, please let me go. I won't disturb you again. The elephant is telling to the sparrow, I will not disturb you again. Please let me go. Remove the creeper from me. The crocodile is telling, untie me. I won't stand in your way. The crocodile is telling, I will not stand in your way. I will not block your way. Let me untie. Untie means take the rope from me. Remove the rope from me. That means the creeper has to be removed. Good. I will remove the rope now. Who's telling? The sparrow is telling to both the animals. Good. You will not disturb me, no? I'll remove the rope now. You have said that I have to afraid for you. Now what happens? See? I am very small and clever sparrow. I will not do anything because you should also do me anything for my small babies. Gullu ran to the forest. After removing the rope of the Gullu and crocodile, Gullu ran to the forest and the crocodile dived into the river. Soon the eggs hatched. Hatched means the eggs were broken. The small babies came out of the eggs. The Madam Sparrow lived happily with 3 little babies. Now the Madam Sparrow, that means the witty sparrow, lived very happily with 3 little babies. I hope you all understood about the story, the witty sparrow. The same like we have to be like a witty sparrow. Thank you, students.